ever wondered if laundry detergent is toxic? In this video, I'll talk about some of the offenders that may shock you, substitutes to use, and what I like to use in my laundry routine. My name is Amber Byers, and I am passionate about helping mamas to live a low-tox lifestyle. Click subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my weekly videos, and stay tuned to the end where I'll share with you how to get my beginner's guide to low-tox living. First off, let's start by talking about why we should even care what is in our laundry detergent. Have you ever stopped to consider that your skin is your largest organ, and whatever chemicals are on your clothes are also absorbed into your skin and into your bloodstream? When you start to deep dive into chemicals and where they're found, it's no wonder that people are struggling with their health. Take, for example, Tide cold water. It rates an F on the EWG app, some of the highest factors being health effects that range from infertility and reproductive organ cancers to birth defects and developmental delays in children. And all liquid baby detergent rated a D and contained ingredients that are linked to causing or worsening asthma. So what are some alternatives that we can consider? An easy recipe that I used to use was 1 box of borax, 1 box of washing soda, and a bar of Castile soap grated. Mix it into a lidded container and use 2 tablespoons per wash. For my laundry routine, I like to use doTERRA laundry pods. I toss 1 pod directly into the tub, topped by my clothes, and then I add 1 tablespoon of liquid On Guard detergent to the detergent bin and add a drop or 2 of either Purify or lemon. In place of laundry softener, you can simply add vinegar. My favorite replacement for a spot treatment is a spray that I make myself with 2 tablespoons of On Guard cleaner concentrate, 2 tablespoons of On Guard liquid laundry detergent, and 15 drops of lemon essential oil. As far as a dryer routine, I like to use wool dryer balls. They can simply be thrown into the dryer. If you want to add a little bit of fragrance, you can add a couple drops of oil to each dryer ball. Or you could also put a couple of drops in some water and just spritz it on the dryer balls. A lot of people ask, well, what about static? How do I prevent static if I don't use dryer sheets? Well, the key to preventing static is to not over dry synthetic fabrics. Synthetic fabrics, when they're over dry, are what create the problems in our laundry. So the solution that I've come up with is I just dry my clothes on a lower setting. So I put them on casual and I put them on less dry. After that run cycle is finished, I pull out as many of the dry synthetics as I can, put the rest back in on 15 minutes on a touch-up dry, and then all of my laundry is dry and without static. And don't forget to look down below to get my beginner's guide to low-tox living. We will see you again next week. Take care, friends. Bye-bye.